Friday. It's your girl Anne, and I'm back today with another video. So today's video, I decided to get it all done. So I'm sharing lots of inspirational cleaning and organizing. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration, some motivation to get it all done yourself and get things clean and organized in your space. So if you are new, welcome. And to all my returning family members, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoy these types of videos, guys, interior styling and decorating, definitely subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll become part of the family here on Glam Designs by Anne. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though. I didn't blow my top off. 9-6 by Arsenal. I didn't drive my car home when I drank that charcoal. Man, I miss my mom so. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick up speed, goes pitch black weed. Well, you got your thoughts. All the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. I ran around Lake Tahoe. Not once, don't stop, no. Cause I'm a brand new model with a brand new model. Yeah, I called up Carlos. Said I won't be calling. He said in my old tempo. It wouldn't make much sense, so yeah, ask me how it feels. I say it feels too real. When you pick up speed, goes a pitch black weed. When you got your thoughts, all the in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does. Mine does. Mine does. Mine does.
Special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell, too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Or you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better, better. Making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your
To wrap up today's video, I just wanted to show you how the pantry turned out. I love how everything looks. It's a lot much neater, and having these acrylic pantry organizers are amazing because they're great quality. They have handles. You can, you know, pull them out and take whatever you need. You can they're see-through, and because everything is so neatly organized now, when my food items are going low, it gives me an opportunity to be able to see all of that and have that opportunity to restock up on my canned goods, my pasta goods, my sauces, my ketchup, tomato paste, and things like that. I have noodles up here, macaroni and cheese, quinoa, and all of my like extra pastas and things like that I've added to the glass jars. My rice, I added paper towel up there. I have like fresh ginger, fresh garlic, onions, and sweet potato here. I'm definitely going to purchase a second set of these clear containers because there's a few more things that I want to organize in here as well, because there's still a bit of space in this one that I can add another container to organize like my couscous and some other food items. And then here's where I'm going to keep all of my bread. I need to stock up on a little bit more bread because these ones are going to expire within the next day or within a couple days. So bread and like all of my tortillas for making tacos. I have extra pasta and lasagna and things like that here. And I decided to just add my cereal containers here. These are also from Amazon because they fit much better here, and you know, you can just take them out and put them back better. And then over here I decided to organize with all of the medications and vitamins and Ovaltine, hot chocolate, Nutella, peanut butter, marshmallow. And then this one I've just added some of my pineapple juice, breakfast things, crackers and oatmeal and cream of wheat for making porridge. And then on top I just added some chips that we use for snacks. What under the sink looks like. So I just added some extra paper towel there to keep handy so I can grab one because I'm short and I can't reach the paper towels up there. And then in this bin I've just added like my dish soap, cleaning products for my cooktop, some extra Lysol to keep handy, my Method all-purpose cleaners, my Swiffer sheets, my wood cleaner, Lysol spray, Fabulosa and Lysol cleaning for like the floor and stuff. So everything is nice and neat, but I still do need to get my organizational stuff for under the sink so I can get rid of these bins that I'll be ordering from Amazon. So when I get those, I'll come back and just show you guys how I've reorganized with those So I'm upstairs now in this small closet that's actually in my bedroom because I'm no longer using it for my things. I've added my things to my office slash guest bedroom, which you guys will see in another video. But I decided to, you know, create some functionality in this closet by adding my decorative pillow covers. I'm going to measure this and get another MDF shelf for adding like my bed linens and things like that because I want to have my things separate for my bed in here. And then for like the guest bedroom, I'm going to add that stuff to the linen closet in the hallway. And then in this thing, I've just added some extra pillows for my bed. I still have some extra space that I can add some more things to at the bottom there. I have some more decorative pillows, but they're actually in the basement at the moment. So I'm going to bring them up and add it. The closet does need to be refreshed with a coat or two of paint. So I'm going to do that later on. And then I've just hung some seasonal pillow covers here as well. I've added my throw blankets up there. So the closet came in you know, handy for some other things that I really needed. And then I was able to free up some space in my linen closet, which is in the hallway for like my guests, and when my kids and my grandkids are here, I can put like their linens and sheets and things like that in that closet and keep this area for, you know, my things.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart.
Well guys, this is the final space that I cleaned, and I'm just gonna share with you how everything turned out. So this I got from Winners, my hand soap, and I need to get actual pump for hair because the other one that I was using, it wasn't working out. The soap kept coming out of the top part, the pump part, so I need to replace it. So this was $7.99 from Winners, and this was just a little DIY tea light candle holder that I've added some florals to. These are some new hand towels that I got from Winners. They were $7.99 each, and they are by the brand. Let me just show you guys. They are by Cara Home, and there's a website there, a website there. No one actually uses those because I keep paper towel in here for hand. When you wash your hands, you can use paper towel to wipe them, so this is just decorative purposes. And then these are some DIY canvases I did like I used a hot glue gun, and I added some glue just to give a little bit of texture to them. The canvases are from Dollarama. They were like, I think $3.50 each. I just added a mirror tray that I've had for a few years. I purchased this probably at either Winners or HomeSense. I added a scented diffuser, some more florals, some greenery. These are some DIY glass vases I got from Dollarama, and I just got these from Dollarama and added them there. I've had all of these things for a while, and these are just some tea light candle holders that I got from Dollarama, and I just adhered them with some E6000 and a little bit of the glue gun, and I just gave them a little bit of height because I was actually using them for something else, but then when I moved here I decided to just add them there. And then here's another decorative towel that matches the other one. I think I mentioned they were $7.99 each. I think this towel came from either Walmart, because I didn't want to add anything like too expensive in here because it is the guest washroom. And like I said, these are just for decorative purposes. No one's actually using them. Some more hand towels here just to decorate this little unit that I got from Space Saver, shelf unit that I got from Jisk. The clock came from HomeSense a few years ago for $9.99. And then these are just some glam tea light holders that I can add some battery operated tea lights to just give a little bit of ambiance in here at night, which I'm probably going to do. Another greenery ball, and then just a little bird there. I got 2 of those birds from Amazon. And then this is just a really beautiful canvas with, you know, buildings that light up that go well with my aesthetic, which is black, white, and my gray silver metals that I use in my home. Well guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little cleaning marathon and organizing of a few spaces. I still have a few other places that I need to organize in here, so I'm probably going to share that with you. But thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I gave you some motivation. If you're new and you're watching for the first time, welcome to the channel. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for all of your love and support. Our family is growing, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Like and share it with a friend or family. It really helps the channel. It also lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content, and they're going to keep recommending it to more people. So if you enjoy cleaning, organizing, DIYs, and home interior decorating, you're definitely at the right place. So like I said, subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way YouTube will alert you every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Happy Friday. Have an amazing weekend. Stay blessed, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.